ChatGPT is finally on Apple CarPlay.
What if your car didn't just take you to your destination, but actually talked back? And I mean really talked. Forget basic voice commands. ChatGPT is officially on Apple CarPlay, and it's changing the game for your daily commute. Today, I'm showing you how to set it up and why this is the ultimate co-pilot you've been waiting for.
Before we hit the road, let's make sure you're ready. You'll need two things. First, your iPhone must be running iOS 26.4 or higher. Second, ensure your ChatGPT app is updated to the latest version. Once that's done, the icon will automatically pop up on your CarPlay home screen.
Apple and OpenAI have kept this incredibly simple. The UI is clean, no more than 4 buttons, because let's face it, you need to keep your eyes on the road. When you tap the mic, you'll see connecting and then listening. Notice there's no text or images on the screen. It's 100% voice-based. It's designed to be a natural conversation, not a distraction.
You can ask about the weather, sure, but you can also go deep. Ask for a summary of the morning news, or help drafting a quick email while you're stuck in traffic.
Now for the pro tip. If you want this to be seamless, go into your ChatGPT profile settings on your iPhone. Enable the background connection and auto start on CarPlay. This means the moment you start your car, your AI assistant is standing by. And yes, it works perfectly in the background while you're using Google Maps or Apple Music. A quick reality check though. Even though it's hands-free, don't let the conversation take your mind off the road. Use it for what's necessary, brainstorming an idea or finding info, but keep your focus on the drive. The era of the smart car just got a whole lot smarter. Are you going to use ChatGPT in your car, or do you think it's overkill? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more tech updates, and I'll see you in the next one.